Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. So I am baking a Bannock bread. So the ingredients we are using on this will just be few things: salt, and we're using baking powder. Those are the dry ingredients we are using. So mix your dry ingredients in. I will be adding oil, vegetable oil or canola oil, anyone work. Adding one little bit warm water. I have 2.5 cups there, and I'm not using all at the moment. This is how the mix looks like. Just want it to be smooth first of all before I make the dough to the shape I want.
Cooking food is not a party. We dey cook, we not take classes. Full white rice in at the party. My samosa tight, no elastic. I want choppy and beans. I want a 4 kilo and wheat. I want like 1 kilo of beef. I know go chop it in no be rice. I go see, I know fin salad on divide.
Okay. See this the shape are able to shape it too, but we just leave it like that. Just a little hole round, as many that I can. Make sure the bread is not too big or too thick. Okay, I'm taking it to oven now. This is how the bannock look like 35 minutes after. So we will just leave it a little bit while to be brown, more brown. I think it's ready, but we'll just wait a little bit. We need it to be brown. This is very nice. The bread is ready. The taste is actually different than what the bread look. And really good, and I like the recipe. We later leave the bread for like 45 minutes, not the 30 minutes as we want before. It's 45 minutes, that's what we spend in the Okay guys, thank you all. As I said, please help us to subscribe and share. And if you are living in Calgary, enroll your child in cooking for inclusion, so they will learn a lot of things there. So this is what we have on this month end. Bye guys. Bye bye. Thank you everyone. It was a long time cooking, and yeah, so this is what we have today. I prepared this 3 indigenous food today. So this is what we have in Cooking for Inclusion in September edition. This video may be coming to you in November or October. Yeah, let me just say October, at least we can get it. Yeah, so this is what the kids will be learning from there. So from this soup to this, from this to that. So guys, if your children are here, let's Auntie Daniela, Daniela, smile.